Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yes, very, very good evening, madam. How are you doing today?
Yes, sir. I'm doing fantastic and thank you for asking. How about you, sir?
Yes, I'm also doing fantastic, madam. And you look like so happy, madam.
Because today I practiced a lot, sir. So that is the reason I felt happy.
Wow, that's great. You nailed it today, huh?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, that's great.
Oh,
So, how many hours did you practice today?
yeah, I connected one caller, sir, through video call, and half an hour I practiced whatever my ma'am give today topic. That's all, sir.
Where do you practice?
Yeah, I have some co-learners through WhatsApp. I connected with them and I practice.
Okay. Are you doing practice in any WhatsApp group, paid group, and free group?
WhatsApp group only, sir.
It's free and it's paid.
Paid, paid.
Wow, that's great. So where do you practice? May I know Priyanka, Sunita ma'am, Neha ma'am?
Yes, Neha ma'am and Sunita ma'am. Yes, sir. I joined in their WhatsApp group November 2nd, sir. Yes.
Wow, that's great. So madam, thank you for reaching out to us, and we are meeting very first time. So I want you to introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. It's my pleasure. Yeah. My name is Mani. If I talk about my education, I completed post graduation in computers. After that, I worked as a lab coordinator for 2 years. Now I am mother of two growing sons, as well as I have 3 years of experience as a private school teacher. So that's all pretty much about me, sir. Can you introduce
Wow,
yourself?
that's great to know about you, madam. Yeah. So I would like to also introduce myself. So well, my name is Amdi Jrail. I am from Bihar, but I am connecting to you from Kuwait. My hobbies are listening to songs, watching movies, and traveling. Moreover, I run a YouTube channel where I upload English content. I believe that learning English is the foundation of success.
Right.
Therefore, I have put my heart into this language. Yeah, that's all about me, madam. It is my bit introduction.
It's a nice introduction, I can say, sir.
Wow,
So,
thank you so much, madam. Okay.
yes, sir, you were speaking very good. So, when you started your speaking journey?
Mhm. Actually, I started my English journey 2 years ago. It's been 2 years. I
Okay.
struggled a lot when I started my English journey because I started my English journey from scratch.
Mhm.
Mm. But I never give up because I know if I do practice, one day I will speak better English from today. So I believe in myself, madam.
Yes, it's a very good, sir. So, yes, what you said exactly right, sir. If you give up or you throw the towel, so it's very difficult. Don't procrastinate. Every day we have to be consistent and keep on practicing. One day, eventually, we will get the success, sir. But it's
Yeah,
take
really.
time, so we can't boil the ocean at a time. It's a long journey. Keep on practicing, then we will get fluency. Yes, sir.
Really, madam, really, definitely. Without doing hard work, no one can get success, in life. First step, you have to struggle. You have to take action. You don't have to procrastinate. If you procrastinate, definitely, you will never go to beyond. Okay.
Yes,
So first, we have to take action. Doesn't matter. It is life. Sometimes you feel confident. Sometimes you don't feel confident. It is life. Okay. Life. Sometimes life has, ups and downs. So you should not worry about your life. Hmm.
yes,
And keep on
exactly.
practicing every single day. Many people leave practice. They say, oh my God, it is hard not to cry for me. I'm not able to learn because there are unlimited vocabulary, ABM, grammar. How can I learn? I mean to say, Learn step by step, right?
Yes. Right,
Mm.
sir. Right.
Step by step learn. No more, no problem. It will take time. Rome was not built in a day. It takes
Excellent, sir.
time, right?
Excellent.
Mm.
Excellent idiom, sir.
Mm.
My favorite idiom. The Rome wasn't built one day. Right, sir?
Mm.
So
Mm.
it's a long process. Right.
Yeah, you have to bite the bullet and
Yes.
speak English confidently. Mm. And definitely one day you will speak better, no
Yes.
doubt.
Yes, sir.
Be-
And one more thing I want to add here, sir. Never ever compare to others. So everybody mindset, everybody learning is different. So
Mm.
don't take pressurize and do yourself and trusting the process and keep practicing. One day definitely we will achieve, sir. Right?
You're right, right, definitely.
Yes.
Actually, it is human tendency that, we always compare with other person.
Yes.
Right. When you compare, oh my God, that your English is so good, then I feel, uh,
Demotivated,
unconfident. Ah,
demotivated, sir.
mm,
Whenever we
mm,
compare to others, na, like they are eloquent speakers, so why they develop their communication skills, so we are joined at the same time, so I can't articulate my thoughts like others. So if you think like that, we easily demotivated and we couldn't concentrate on properly, I can say
mm.
so. Hmm.
And whatever you also know, while speaking, you will forget. Mm.
Yes, yes, sir.
You should not compare with other person because they have been struggling for many years. That is why they are successful and their English is good. Mm.
Yes,
And mostly people have started English journey 1 years ago, 2 years ago. How can they reach and how can we compare with other person? Mm.
yes. Without knowing their struggles, we can't judge them, sir. So we don't know how they burn the candle both sides. After that, they will get the success. So we have to analyze in that way, sir. Right? We have
Mm.
to take the courage. So what are the steps they are following? Why they will
Mm.
get the success? So I need to develop in that way. Right, sir?
You're right.
We need to think like that. Yes.
Mm. But I have seen that many people don't have courage. Mm. They always, feel dismotivate just because of fear, making mistake and judge. They say when I speak in group, when I speak in front of public, in front of people, then they will laugh at me. That is why just because of making mistake, fear, they don't want to speak. That is why still they are backward, and according to me, they will never grow in their life.
Yes,
Mm.
sir. Exactly.
So we have to,
I resonate your words, sir. Yes.
right, right. So we have to encourage ourselves. Mm. You have to make plan. When you get up in the morning time, you have to make plan. Today I'm going to learn this thing, that thing. Today I would practice for 1 hour, 2 hour. Mm. You always will have to make yourself better from today. Right?
Yes, exactly. Exactly, sir. We have to make discipline. We have to maintain discipline, sir. That discipline follows consistent. That consistency make me confident and feel happy. I can say, sir. Hmm.
Right. Consistency is everything.
Yes.
Even if you have 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, whatever you have time, just you have to, practice. Don't try to procrastinate. Okay, I will practice after 1 hour, up to 2 hour in the morning time, evening time. This way, you can waste your time and you will learn nothing.
Yes, definitely, sir. Correct.
Many people do like this. Okay, so I'm
Because
going to ask.
they don't have confidence because of this reason maybe they ignore or they give up their decision in the middle, sir, I can say.
Mhm.
Yes.
Right, right. So I'm going to ask you one question. Okay, have you ever regretted? wasting your time. What happened?
Yes, 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 sir. Have you, okay. I am thinking what you are asking like that. Okay.
Okay.
Sometimes I regret, sir,
Uh,
while learning English. So
mm,
I am learning English. I have been learning English for last 7 months. So I am not speak fluently because these reasons. Sometimes I feel demotivated, sir, but immediately I have the courage and I am a go-getter, so it's a common, so
mm,
you can't speak within short time, so it's a long journey. So be
mm.
patient and trusting the process and believing yourself first, and you immerse yourself into learning new things every day. That will you have to do. Don't think about others or anything, sir. Right?
Okay, that's great. That's great. So you wasted your time in past, and that's why you regretted because you are regretting that if I had started my English journey 3 years ago, 5 years ago, then I would be eloquent speaker. Am I right?
Yes, sir, definitely, sir. If I had started English 1 year ago, definitely I would become a eloquent speaker. But it's not possible. Now we can do. Okay.
Mhm. Mm.
Yes.
I also sometimes regret because I just told you that I'm connecting to you from Kuwait. So I came to Kuwait in 2014. At that time, I had a mobile, but I did not have idea to learn English.
Yes.
Hmm. No one told me to learn this language. But when I started facing problem, then I thought I should learn this language. Okay. Though I have made up my mind, and 2 years ago I started my English journey. So sometimes I think when I came to Kuwait 10 years ago, it's been 10 years. If I started my English journey 10 years ago, now I would be, very good speaker. Am I
Yes.
right?
Right,
So
sir.
yeah, I wasted my time. Mm,
Sorry, sir. I want to add one more point here. So don't think like that. We can't carry yesterday rain in bucket, right, sir? So don't regret. So
mhm,
whatever today, whatever. So don't never regret. And today is there in our hand. So whatever you want to do, so do it.
mm.
That what I want
Yeah,
to say.
yeah. Better late than never. At least I started my English journey. I thought about myself that we have to learn, we have to practice, we have to go ahead, we have to improve ourselves. Am I right? The thing is that the question is like this. That is what I told you. Sometimes I regret. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's a human tendency, sir. So
Right.
sometimes we regret, right?
Okay. Okay. So I'm going to ask you other question.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Why do people often believe that other have a better life? They do.
Yes, sir, because I think it's a human tendency. People always think about others. So, how they are getting success, why they are living with luxury life. So, always they see their appearance, but they can't see how they are struggle inside. Right, sir? So, what can I say means, sir, never ever compare to others. So person to person is it's a difference, their mindset or their living, it's very different. So we should always count our blessings whatever we have instead of focusing on others. So
Mhm.
you try to focus on yourself and try to do best in your life. That's also.
Yeah, right. And from my perspective, why people live unhappy, do you know? Just because of they think, with other people, and they compare with other people that, you have a luxurious car, house, property, good job, good business, and I have nothing. That is why
Yes.
they compare, right, with
Yes.
other person, and that's why they feel unhappy. I mean to
Yes.
say, whatever you have, you try to be happy. God
Yes.
has also given you 24 hours, health,
Yes.
two eyes, ears, legs. You can also do like this. You can
Yes.
also succeed. The people always, see success for others, but they don't know about their life. They struggled a lot. That is why they look like, successful, and they are successful now. Hmm.
Yes.
Now
Yes,
we
sir.
are struggling into this language, but after
Hmm.
1 year, 2 years, when we will become a fluent speaker, hmm, after that people judge you. People tell you, "Oh my God, now you are very good speaker." But
Yes.
now, after struggling, we will become. Hmm.
Yes,
So
exactly.
they don't think about struggle, right? Hmm.
They never see what struggle they faced. They only see their success.
Yeah.
Because of that, they get jealousy. Right, sir?
Uh-huh. Yeah, it is also human tendency. Okay,
Yes.
people jealous from each other.
Yes, sir. Yes.
They think they have something, they have everything, and I have nothing. That is why they jealous of the other person. Hmm.
Yes.
The more you jealous, the more you will the negative thing will come into your mind, and you could not able to sleep. You could not
Yes.
grow yourself, right?
Yes, exactly. Exactly,
So
sir.
I mean to say, instead of thinking other person, you have to do something and
Hmm.
forget about the other person, and don't compare with other person. If you
Yes.
compare, you feel unhappy and you won't be, happy in your life.
Yes. Well said, sir. Well said. Well explained.
Right,
So,
right.
okay, sir, why are you improving your communication skills? What is the reason?
Yeah, it is very fascinating question, madam. Actually, I want to become an English teacher
Okay.
my life. That is why I'm improving. I don't want to chill out. I'm in Kuwait, as I told you. It is afternoon time, and temperature is so high. Okay, that
Okay.
even though I practice this time, I opened my door and I'm talking to you.
You
Okay.
have burning desires, sir. You have burning desire
Yes.
to develop your communication
Yeah.
skills. Yes.
Every cloud has silver lining, madam.
Yes,
If you
definitely, sir.
don't do anything, you can't grow your life. Okay.
Yes.
So after doing, something, you will get anything, and hard work will pay off you one day.
Yes. It's true.
Remember, there was a time when I was a beginner. I was not able to speak a single word.
Okay, sir. Are you started your speaking journey from the scratch, sir? At the
Yeah,
beginning.
from the scratch.
But no, now you are quite eloquent speaker, I can say. Your way of talking
Oh,
and explanation very good, sir.
thank you
So
for compliment me, madam. Okay.
yes.
Someone says me that you are a good speaker. I feel rejuvenate, madam. Really.
No, 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 sir. We are in same boat. Yes.
Okay.
You speak
Yeah.
very good English compared to me.
Madam, your English is also so good. Okay, I don't compare according to beauty because if you compare, you feel also unhappy.